Hello students. Today we start the BSc third year paper 13. Already we are completed the unit number 1. We started the unit number 2, that is paper number 13, aquaculture technique and fish nutrition. Aquaculture technique and fish nutrition. Within that, unit number 2, that is marine water prawn culture. Marine water prawn culture. Unit number 2, marine water prawn culture. Bit number 3, that is selection of site and collection of broods or the brooders. It is very important aspects for the culture of prawn. Generally, main two prawns are important for the purpose of nutrition, for the purpose of commercial beef also. That is the Penis indicus and the Penis monodon are very important for the culture of prawns. Generally, our India, the two famous prawns are cultured in Tamil Nadu side, in West Bengal, and all the where the sea area is more. That is the white prawn. How can we select the prawn? That is the title. That is the selection of site. First of all, selection of site, then the selection of brooders. But generally, two prawns are cultured in our India. The white prawn, that is the Penis indicus, and the tiger prawn, that is called the Penis monodon. Penis indicus and the Penis monodon are generally selected for the culture practice in marine water. Okay, for culture of marine prawn, the most suitable location, because the location is also important for the purpose of culture, for the purpose of harvesting and all these things. That's why the location is also important for the culture of marine prawn. The most suitable location is along the tidal flats and marsh lands adjacent to the brackish water estuaries. Okay, because the selection is important for the culture. Then sometime a correction is be there in the selection of site. The site is irregular shape. It is not comfortable for the selection, for not comfortable for the purpose of culture, because they are unsuitable for the harvesting and for the efficiency of harvesting or reducing of the efficiency of harvesting, or problem may be created in the site is irregular shape or uneven bottom continuous or not suitable, reducing the harvesting, all the problem may be possible. That's why the selection of site is very important for the culture of prawns. Okay, then the site located too close to the beach are likely to be subjected to the threat of erosion, because easily for the observing and all purpose, for the purpose of food and all these things. That's why the site is located to close the beach. Then in sub littoral zone, the main criteria for the selection of site is that there should be a smaller range of variation between high and low water level. Important point, that is the main criteria for the selection of site is that there should be a smaller range of variation between high and low water level. Okay, at the same time, there should be enough circulation of water. It's important thing. At the time, there should be enough circulation of water within the firm enclosure at neap tides. Okay. Then mature prawn. How can we collection of brooders? How can we collect the brooders? Mature prawn like Penis indicus or the Penis monodon. Already I told that in India famous, that is the Penis indicus and the Penis monodon prawns are cultured. With rib gonads are collected from the sea water and transported to the culture site. They are collected from the sea and transported for the purpose of breeding to the culture site. Immature individually may also be collected. At the same time, immature prawns are collected and allowed to grow in pond till they mature. They also culture up to the maturity in another pond. When the destination is close to the capture site, when the destination is close to the capture site, they may be transported in plastic bag filled with 1/3 with seawater and two-thirds with oxygenated water. This is the important point. When the destination is close to the capture site, they may be transported in plastic bag filled with one-third of seawater and two-third part of the oxygenated water. It is the process from one place to the another place. If, however, the transportation is likely to take long time, the prawn must also be immobilized by tying them with rubber bands, thread, etc. It is also the next process. If however the transportation is likely to be a long time from one place to the other, it take the long time, then the prawn must also be immobilized by tying them with rubber bands, threads, etc. in order to reduce their activity and so their oxygen demand. It is an important point. Okay, thank you.